Hello. Today we're going to look at this derivative here, this problem. Find the derivative of y equals x e to the 2x. Now, at first glance, it looks fairly straightforward, but you won't find that in your list of standard derivatives. And that's really where the problem lies. In order to solve this, we first need to identify that this function is a product of two other functions. It's a product of the functions x and e to the 2x, both of which you'll find in your list of standard derivatives. So the first thing to identify is this is a product of two functions. So we need to use the product rule for differentiation. And the key to using the product rule really is all about organisation. We need to write down all of the constituent parts of our problem. So let's do that. Let's write down, let u be the first function. So let u be x and let v be e to the 2x. If you look at the formula for the product rule on a formula sheet or in your notes, you'll find that as well as identifying u and v, we need to find the derivatives of both u and of v. But this time you'll find those derivatives in the list of standard derivatives, the table which is on the formula sheet or in your notes. So in this case, du by dx is simply going to be 1, and dv by dx is the derivative of e to the 2x, which you should find is 2e to the 2x. Once you've done that, it's just a case of taking what you've calculated and substituting it into the product rule. Now, in case you've forgotten, I'll just write down what the product rule is. The product rule is if y equals u times v, then dy by dx is equal to u times dv by dx. In other words, we leave the first part of the product alone and differentiate the second part, and then we add on, pen's not working, add on du by dx times v. So we switch over the rules. We differentiate the first part and we leave the second part alone. So there's the formula that we need to use. We have all of the constituent parts written down, so it's just a case of substituting those parts in and coming up with the final answer. So let's do that. Dy by dx must be equal to u. U is x times dv by dx. Well, we've written down here that is 2e to the 2x. It's 2e to the 2x plus du by dx, which we've got written down here as 1, times v, which is e to the 2x. E to the 2x. That's it. That's the calculation done. We just need to tidy that up. And if we tidy that up, then we will get, let's move the camera, two x e to the 2x plus e to the 2x. And there's a simple factorisation there that we could use. If we take e to the 2x out as a factor, then we're left with e to the 2x times 2x plus 1. straightforward, but the key to the whole problem lies in identifying that you have a product rule and laying out all of your work incorrectly.